introducing our next
Yes.
guest. And
There's nothing that you need. I don't need a microphone. But
well, that makes me feel
when I
good.
point at you, but when I point at you, oh, okay. I know for Southern people, we all know what NASCAR is, right? Some Yankees know what NASCAR is. But all Southerners knows that WWE wrestling is real. Right? Yankees do not know that. In the South, we have heroes, WWE. In the North, y'all have UFC's and whatever his name is. And a couple other guys. Billy, whatever his name is. Now, we have heroes by the name of Bubba, Up Junior, things like that in NASCAR. But in WWE, we're talking about iconic, beyond imagination, popularity, the beautiful body, the beautiful clothes. He always has a beautiful chick. Tonight, we have been honored because he has come here all the way from Tupelo, Mississippi, to be at this camp to honor you all. Dr. Richards paved his way, and we certainly do appreciate that, Dr. Richards. And if I take another shot in the mouth, we will talk about that later. But anyway, Grace from Tupelo, Mississippi. To you Yankees in particular, I'd like to introduce to you Nature Boy Ric Flair.
Yes, sir, and I'll kill you.
So, last night, I'm on my weekend, I'm on the way home from Las Vegas. Sipping Dom Perignon. My phone rings. It's my good friend Major Perry. Mercy, Nate! I need your help. I said, what can I do for you, man? He said, I need you to come to Flat Rock. We're having camp. high-ranking individual, but I want my people to be in the presence of greatness. So, I get on the phone this morning, I call my driver, I said, driver, bring that mile long, limousine. Had Tiffany in it. A coupe full of Dom Perignon. And let's go to Flat Rock, North Carolina. So, here I am. In all my glory. You just happen to be in the presence of the most elite athlete in the world today, bar none. I am a dynasty. I am an icon. I am the New York Yankees of professional wrestling. I am the Los Angeles Lakers of professional wrestling. I am the Pittsburgh Steelers of professional wrestling. You might say, woo, that I am the straw that stirs the drink. Professional wrestling. And wow, am I cooking one? Is this not what is happening in professional wrestling today? I mean, look at it. We're talking about custom-made $2,000 suits, $1,000 roses, Rolex watches, limousines a mile long. I drive the biggest houses. You know why? Because I beat people up and I get paid very well. You say, Nick, who do you read up? The list is long. Unless you've been living under a rock for the last 25 years, you know. Wahoo McDaniel, Dusty Rhodes, The Rock, Stone Cold Steve Austin, Black Jack Mulligan, the list goes on and on. Hey, you shut your mouth! I've been breaking hearts and ending careers since you were no more than a gleam in your daddy's eye. We'll come by and say hello. Like I said, the Tiffany, we got a little thing a mile long out there. We're headed to Atlanta, GA. The whole top floor, high frequency, look at it. I got 25 more, just like her. So then I'll say, thank you, Major. Let's go.
been together here?